How to turn off highlights on Facebook. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open the Facebook application. After opening the application, you need to click on these three lines you see in the top right corner. Then you need to scroll down and go to Settings and Privacy. After going into Settings and Privacy, you need to click on Settings. From here, scroll down again and find the option for notifications. You need to click on it. Then scroll down and click on Groups. From Groups, select any one group, whichever groups you have joined. For example, I will select this group from here. Here, among these notifications, you can see the highlight is selected here. You need to select the off option. And here as well, in the in-app notifications, you also need to select the off option. In this way, you can turn off highlights. So that was today's video about Facebook. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon.